Okay, after about 2 months and maybe 30 to 40 hours of work, I've got the driver's side cab support all done. New EMS cab support. I made these flanges to match the stock look. New kick, new floor, new riser panel here. Completely reconstructed the A-pillar over here. So this side used to look a lot like this side. And I tried my very hardest to make it look as factory as possible. So I went through a lot of pain to make sure it looked like it just came from the Ford factory. Okay, well, that was a learning experience. And I hope to apply what I learned on that to this and get it done just a little faster. That's all.